So number one on the list of 7 surprising things that's making your house stink is the washing machine. A dirty washing machine can not only stink up your clothes, it can stink up your whole house too. So here's how to clean it. If you have a front load washing machine, there's a drain pump filter that needs to be cleaned out regularly. I cover the step-by-steps of exactly how to do this in another video, and it's a little bit too long to cover everything in this video, so I'll leave a link in the description below that will take you to the other video that you can check out after this one's over. For front-loading washers, it's also a good idea to wipe down the door and the rubber seal to remove any debris and soap residue. You should also leave your washing machine door cracked open. That'll help prevent any mold or mildew from developing between loads. And if you have a top-loading washing machine, the fabric softener dispenser and the agitator should be cleaned every month or so as well to help clear out any residue. Drains in your bathrooms and kitchen can also be a source of some pretty funky odors, so you want to be sure to clean these out every month or two as well. A great natural method to clean the drains is to use a combination of baking soda and vinegar. Just simply put some baking soda down the drain, pour some vinegar over it, and then let it set for about 15 minutes. Once it's done setting, simply wash it away with some hot water. If you have a basement, don't forget to treat the floor drain too, because this is going to be another hidden source of smells. The process is the same for any drain in your house. If you have bathrooms that you don't typically use, the water inside the toilets and the water inside the drains underneath the sinks can evaporate and cause sewer gases to back up into your house. So if you have a bathroom that you don't use very often, make sure to flush the toilet every month or two and also run some water in the sink so you don't have that issue. The same thing can happen with floor drains in the basement too, so make sure to put water in them every once in a while, especially if you live in a climate that's pretty dry. If you have kids or if your house is damp because you live in a humid area, closets can be a pretty big problem too. Keep the air circulating in closets by leaving the doors open. You can also use some silica gel to help get rid of excess moisture that's trapped inside the closet. You can also try charcoal bags that you can pick up on Amazon to capture any lingering odors that might be present too. Be sure to treat your shoes to make sure those odors don't linger in your closets as well. You can either use some natural oil treatments like some essential oils, or you can pick up some charcoal inserts for your shoes. Another pretty common source of hidden odors is the garbage disposal. For natural treatments, you can either throw some orange or lemon peels down the garbage disposal, grind them up, and then rinse them away with some water. Another option you have is to throw in some ice with some dishwasher detergent. That can do a great job as well. You can also use some specialty cleaners like this disposal cleaner from a brand called Active. To use this, you just have to insert 1 or 2 tablets, turn on the water to a trickle, and then let it foam for about 2 to 3 minutes. Up next, trash cans. I mean, they hold trash, so it kind of makes sense. Rinsing them out can go a long way, but you may need to use some detergent too, along with a scrub brush if you have gunk inside of them. If they look clean and they still smell, you can try disinfecting them by spraying on vinegar or in an antibacterial spray. Drying them out in the sun can help kill any leftover bacteria. Up next is the dishwasher. This is a common source of odors in your house, and this is how you clean it properly. Place a cup of white vinegar in a dishwasher-safe container, and then put that container on the upper rack in the dishwasher. Then start the dishwasher and put it on its hottest water setting. You can also use some specialty cleaner as well, like this dishwasher cleaner, again from a company called Active. Just place a tablet inside the dishwasher detergent door and then start a normal cycle. Even though your carpets look clean, they might also be a source of some funky odors. So I recommend sprinkling on some baking soda and then letting that set in the carpet for at least a couple of hours and maybe even overnight. After this sits for a while, you can simply take a vacuum cleaner to vacuum up the baking soda and those pesky odors so you can get rid of them once and for all. This can do wonders to get rid of some lingering and odd smells that you just can't pinpoint in your house. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If it was, don't forget to hit the like button and also check out this other video next. I'm sure you'll like it too. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.